2016 Subaru 4-star air filter and cabin filter replacement. So for the air filter, you want to come over here with your hood popped, undo these little spring clips right here, and then once these are off, you're going to kind of just pull this back a little bit. Try not to be too rough with it because you don't want to rip any of the hoses or nothing, so we'll pull that back. It's kind of made to where you could have just enough room to slide this out, just like that. And we'll go ahead and get our new air filter. This is a micro guard. There's the part number right there in the lower left corner. I will link a filter to Amazon on here. But here's what they look like. They're just a square. They basically can only really go in one way. You just pull that back, push this down. You might need to be a little patient and just get it in. It goes in like that, and then we're gonna put this back on. Now when you put this back on, you gotta make sure the bottom's lined up first, and then once the bottom's lined up, you'll be able to get the top close enough to where you could push down those spring clips, just like that. All right, just make sure the bottom's in. Now, this is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to be kind of like, you know, like a sealed looking unit. You know, your bottom part shouldn't be popping out or nothing like that. All right, so that's how you do the air filter. Now for the cabin filter, you want to come over here. You want to take this little plunger part off right here. They call it like a dampener. Once that's off, you're going to squeeze the sides of this glove box at the same time and lower it. Try not to put any weight on this because you could break it. You're going to reach in here. Now this cabin filter is super easy. You're just going to grab, it has these little like things you can grab right here on each side. Just grab those, squeeze them. Notice it has an arrow pointing up. Talk about that in a sec. Just pull this guy straight out. This access door comes on the filter. So this just comes as one whole unit. This thing was super dusty and dirty. I got a new one. And here's the micro guard part number 4014. I'm gonna link this in Amazon, not this filter brand, but another filter brand. But I'm gonna put a good one on Amazon so you can check that link. This will just go in. Now this has to go in a certain way, so you want to flip it like this and then put it in. And then if there's an arrow that's pointing up and just one arrow, then make sure it's pointing up. If there's an arrow pointing down and it says airflow, then point the arrow down. All right, so make sure if these pops off, you could just kind of snap them back into place. Lift this back up and then put this little plunger guy back on, this dampener, whatever they call it. And then we're just gonna close this. It should close and should open. And that's it, guys. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Please sub, help me reach 100K. See you next time. Hey, what's up, guys? I want to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.